Training and Education Business of the Year goes to Vocademics. Congratulations. The next
Namaskar and greetings from Vocademics. This is Dr. Trilok Sharma. I am the Executive Director of Vocademics. Vocademics, where knowledge meets skills. Without skills, knowledge is useless. The main purpose of Vocademics is to create, to develop more and more employable people for the betterment of the world, for the betterment of this planet. And to achieve this purpose, we conduct so many training programs and certificate courses, among which some major programs are TESOL, how to teach online, because now the new normal is everywhere online. Then we have public speaking courses, corporate soft skill courses, personality development programs, neuro-linguistic programmings, and OET foundation courses. We are affiliated with world-class organizations who always guide us and support us to create, to develop, and to deliver most effective certificate programs through which people can get employable, people can get better employment opportunity across the globe. Our major affiliation is with TESOL International Association and IATELF. Vocademics is basically a partnership firm where my wife, Mrs. Shobha Sharma, is my partner. Both of us created this company in 2017 when we came back from our Gulf assignment. And in 2019, we registered this as a private firm. We have happy students across the globe who are doing well in their selected areas of work. Their employers are very happy with them and they are performing excellent. Of course, yeah, if we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, the thing come into my mind is creating more and more employment opportunities. But at the same time, when there are opportunities and there are no staff available who are employable, then what will happen? So to make our India really self-reliant, we will have to work hard to create, to develop more and more employable workforce. And Vocademics is involved into it. Entrepreneurship. When we talk about entrepreneurship, only thing comes into my mind is a person with a lot of innovative ideas and enthusiasm to translate those ideas into reality. So basically, entrepreneurship is standing on four important pillars. One is person, two is organization, and the third is the task, whether the task is really being done or not. And the fourth is environment in all its perspectives, whether it is natural environment, physical environment, work environment, economic environment, social environment, all including. So if the environment is not favorable, no entrepreneurship can develop in any country, anywhere. मैं धन्यवाद अदा करना चाहूँगा व्यापार जगत का और व्यापार जगत के अवार्ड समारोह के निर्णायक मंडल का कि उन्होंने वोकेडेमिक्स को शैक्षणिक और प्रशिक्षण के क्षेत्र में उत्कृष्ट कार्य करने के लिए पुरस्कार हेतु नामांकित किया है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि अगर यह नामांकन सिलेक्ट होता है, अगर यह नामांकन सफल होता है, तो निश्चित रूप से वो एकेडमिक्स के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि और साथ ही साथ एक बड़ी जिम्मेवारी भी होगी। धन्यवाद, आभार।